it's time to go, you pack for 2 days straight because you were depression procrastinating.
I've seen the stars.
When it's time to go, you drive down that long stretch of road one more time. You do that wave, lazily lifting your fingertips off the steering wheel. You're required to do it to every passing car.
I've heard the song.
That's how the town of Gustavus is. You spend your last night with your best friends, people that honestly you're going to cherish forever. You watch the rest of Gravity Falls and drink tea together. You know you're going to miss this place. How the hell did 6 months go by so fast? Mostly though, you're just going to miss the people. You know more about this community than you ever wanted to know. Gossip was a currency. Sometimes you got sucked in. You learned about who the townies are, and you now understand fully how gatekeepy Gustavus, Alaska is. You didn't accomplish a lot, but for the people you care about, it did matter. When you go to say goodbye to your coworkers, one walks to the front, looks at you, turns around and walks away. So you don't say goodbye to them, but you hug the rest of them and tell them that you love them because you really fucking do. These people are unhinged and wild, and just because they work for the federal government does not mean that they have any of their shit together. Who does? So one last time I drive down this road, and honestly, I'm so grateful for this and for the people. Someone unexpectedly meets me at the ferry dock, hands me a beer, and hugs me goodbye. It all just means the world.
Honey, I just want